I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have 2 meshes, now make them ready. First, apply transforms so scale and rotation don't distort merging later. Once done, turn on vertex snapping and set a fine increment to align points precisely. You'll then select both objects and enter edit mode. This consolidates selection control. Make sure you're in vertex select so you can manipulate individual points. These steps prevent topology issues and ensure predictable behavior when you start connecting geometry. With vertices visible, move and snap matching points together so edges align cleanly. Small gaps cause non-manifold faces. After aligning, use merge by distance to eliminate duplicate verts and recalculate normals so shading stays consistent. Next, select corresponding border loops or vertex groups and choose bridge edge loops for evenly interpolated faces, or manually connect with F and M to merge vertices where needed. These actions create continuous topology and let you control edge flow for deformation or smoothing. Finish by cleaning topology with loop cuts to distribute faces evenly, then preview with subdivision surface to confirm smooth transitions. Once satisfied, apply Shade Smooth and enable Auto Smooth with about a 30-degree threshold to preserve crisp edges. If you see shading artifacts or holes, inspect for non-manifold geometry, recalculates normals, and remove any remaining duplicate vertices. If the bridge fails, ensure borders have the same vertex count, or use a Boolean, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.